Dear children, welcome to our social science class. Okay, what is this? This is a rabbit. Do you like this? Okay, children, shall we decorate the rabbit? Okay, what is this? This is a sticker. It is used to decorate the rabbit. See, children, you take one by one, you take this shape, use it in your finger and put here. Take one by one, use in your finger. You also try in your home, children. It helps us to eyes and fingers coordination. It helps us to motor skill. Take this shape. Your fingers get flexible. So, you will do in your home. You also do like this, children. And eyes decoration. How to take this sticker? How to use my finger? Do you listen? Okay, children. Now, do you like this? Rabbit is very beautiful. Good. Do you like this rabbit? Good, children. You also try in your home. Okay? Hi, children. What is this? This is an egg. Good. Do you like the eggs? Good. Okay, children. Where does it come from? It comes from hen. Good. Okay, hen what kind of animal? Birds. Good, children. Today we are going to see the topic birds. Do you like the birds? Okay, children. What is mean by birds? Birds is the most beautiful and living creature in the world. It has many colors and different sizes. Do you know, children? It has feathers, it has beak, legs, and it have no teeth. Okay, children? Birds fly high in the sky by using their wings. Do you know, children? Okay, children. Birds live in the tree. Birds live in the tree and also live in the nest. Some birds live in the nest. Some birds live in the tree. What are these? These are beaks. These are feathers. Birds have different shape of beaks and different colors of feathers. Okay, children? Okay, children, what are these? These are birds' beak. Birds have different shape of beaks and different colors of feathers. Beaks help them to eat food, carry things, and protect themselves. Birds' body and wings to cover the different color of feathers. Okay, children? Okay, children? These are colorful and beautiful birds. Shall we read the picture's name? Okay. Say, what is this? Pigeon. Pigeon. Peacock. Peacock. Parrot. Parrot. Swan. Swan. Sparrow. Sparrow. Ostrich. Ostrich. Owl. Owl. Myna. Myna. Eagle. Eagle. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Crane. Crane. Kingfisher. Kingfisher. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Bulbul. Bulbul. Nightingale. Nightingale. Penguin. Penguin. Okay, children? Shall we spell the picture's name with pony? Okay? Say pigeon. P, I, G. Here, two words comes together means this letter sound long word in pigeon. P, I, G, in pigeon. Peacock. P. Here also two words comes together, so this letter sound E. Ka. A. Ka. Ka. Peacock. P. I. Ka. A. Ka. Ka. Peacock. Parrot. P. A. A. It. Parrot. P. A. A. It. Parrot. Swan. Is. V. A. N. Swan. Is. V. A. N. Swan. Sparrow. Is. P. A. A. V. Sparrow. Is. P. A. U. Arrow. Ostrich. Ha. Is. T. I. CH. It gives sound. Ich. Ch. Ostrich. Ha. Is. T. I. Ch. Ostrich. Owl. A. V. L. Owl. A. V. L. Owl. Myna. I. AH gives sound. Ha. ha. Maina. I ha. Maina. Eagle. Here front side two vowels comes together, so these letters sound long word E. G, L. E silent. Eagle. E, G, L. E silent. Eagle. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. W. Here also two words comes together, so this sound O. D, P, A, K, K, A, R. Woodpecker. W. O. D, P, A, K, K, A, R. Woodpecker. Crane. K, R, A. E silent. Crane. K, R, A, E silent. Crane. Kingfisher. K, E, N, G. Give sound If, E, Ish, S, H. These letters give sound Ish, A, Ir. Kingfisher. K, E, If, E, Ish, A, Ir. Kingfisher. Hummingbird. H, U. Give sound H. E, N, G. Give sound Hummingbird. B, E, R, D. Bird. Hummingbird. H, E. B, E, R, D. Hummingbird. Bulbul. B, B, L, B, O, L. Bulbul. B, O, L, B, O, L. Bulbul. Nightingale. I, G, H, T, E. G, H, L, E silent. Nightingale. Listen children. Here also I, here also I. The letter is same. Do you listen? But the sound is different. Here I say I, G, H, T, E, G, L, E silent. Nightingale. Why children? This letter, here also I, here also I. The letter is same, but the sound is different because each and every word letter has more than one sound according to the place. So, sound is different. I, G, H, T, E, G, L. Nightingale. Penguin. P, N, G, E, penguin. P, N, G, E, penguin. Okay children, did you understand how to spell the picture's name with pony? You also try in your home. Look at the picture children. What is this? Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock, blue in color. Its feathers are blue, green and golden color. Do you know children? Peacock looks very beautiful by using their colorful feathers when it dances in rain. Do you know? Okay children. What is this? Parrot. Do you know children? Parrot is a pet animal. It is green in color. It has curved beak, two eyes. It is one of the beautiful bird in the world. Okay children, do you know it can speak like thank you, welcome, okay. Okay, children. What is this? This is a sparrow. This bird name is sparrow. It is very active in nature. It has small beak and wings. Okay, children. It is also singing bird. Okay, children. This bird name is ostrich. Ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. It has strong feet and long legs, curved neck. It has small brain. Do you know, children? It has 3 stomachs. It also flightless bird. What is this? Bulbul. Bulbul is a singing bird. It has small beak and wings, tail. Do you know, children? What is this? This bird name is hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. It has long beak and strong 2 wings. Do you know, children? It can fly both front and backward direction. What is this? Pigeon. Pigeon is very beautiful and intelligent bird. It has short beak and strong legs. What is this? Penguin. It is flightless bird, children. Penguins have adopted flippers. It helps us to swim in the water. Okay, children. Next. What picture is this? Owl. Owl's eyes are large in size, flat face and a large head and sharp hooked beak. Do you know, children? It can't move their eyes like here and there. It can turn the head almost complete around. Okay, children? What is this? Nest. It is home of the bird. Birds live in the tree. Okay, children? Did you understand what is birds? How to spell the picture's name with pony? Okay. Okay, children, look at the picture. Say the parts of bird. Say, this part name is beak. This part name is eye. This name is head. What part this one? Tail. This one wings. This one feet. Okay, children. What is this? Breast. Okay, children. Write in your. Okay, children. Identify and mention the parts of your birds. Thank you, children.